Hello everyone, so today I will tell you that how we can make PDF using Cam Scanner India application. So this application is available in Play Store, you can download it, and mine is already downloaded, so I'll just open it. So these are the documents which I have created. Click on this camera icon button, and from here you can click any image which you want to click, and if you want to import any image from the gallery, then you have to click in this icon, and from here you can select any image which you want. Click here, and from here you can add any filter which you want, and then click here again. So now this your one file is created, and here you can see the option import from gallery. Again, if you want something, then you can click over here and click any image, and if you want to click at that time only, then you have to click on this camera icon button, and then you can click this image. You can also crop the image if you want. Okay, you can crop your image. I don't want to crop it, so I'll just click here. Add any filter if you want. See, so like this you can add as many as images in your one document. You can rename your document. You can give name to your document according to your requirement, and then click OK. So see, name has been changed here. Now click on this PDF, click on this icon, and see, now these are the options through which you want to share your PDF. You can share your PDF through WhatsApp, through Gmail, or you can either save it to your drive. So this is all about Cam Scanner India application, and you must use it for creating PDF.